Good evening, everyone. We are students of Chiu Association Secondary School from Hong Kong.
We decided our AI orchestra robot, and each of the robot is independent with a camera installed on top of their hands. When the robot looks at the conductor controls the speed of the robot orchestra. For example, when our conductor controls the orchestra at a fast speed, the rhythm of the robot orchestra will also become faster. When the conductor's speed slows down, the rhythm of orchestra also slows down. The original idea of designing this robot was for those who want to learn to conduct but do not have any standard movement. With properly correct swinging movement, they can control the rhythm of the robot orchestra. We have 3 modes of this. The first one is human-controlled mode. In this mode, the human conductor can control the rhythm of the orchestra robot well. Each robot analyzes the speed and hand posture of a human conductor. Then, they control the speed of servo motor in order to play the musical instrument. In most cases, robots play musical instrument in a static and solo well. No variation in speed and rhythm. This leads to boring performance. In this inhalation mode, the human conductor can make the sound alive. Secondly, a simulated robot conductor mode. In this mode, a conductor robot will analyze the hand posture and speed of the human conductor, and it will imitate the swinging movement. Instead of conducting through radio conferencing, human conductor from distant place can control a robot conductor using some camera. Thirdly, a complete robotic orchestra mode. This is the ultimate goal of performing music with the least involvement of a human. Robots can improve their expression by using this mode, which can make musical performance more natural and smooth. The advantage is that the orchestra robot can observe the conductor robot movement. It is more precise and harmonious because the movement of the conductor robot has less variation, which leads to more suitable and accurate analysis and musical performance. Then, for the programming space, we decided a pivot program to detect a human hand movement. The pulse and the speed will be recorded and calculated by microprocessor, and it will output a speed variable to the robot so that it will play the instrument according to the speed receiving. We are trying to train the AI model so that we can distinguish different sets of posture and control the sequence of robot movement. For example, the number of musical instruments or the loudness of different instruments. We use number of servo motors to make the robot play a musical instrument, and we try to use ordinary instruments in our project so that real sound and music can be performed. Because of this robot orchestra, when a conductor has just finished a performance in France and needs to rush to the next country for another performance, causing a lack of time to rehearsal, this robot orchestra will be useful. The conductor can analyze their movement through the camera on the robot and be prepared for the next performance in time.
We hope you like it. Let's see in Detroit. And we will show you an amazing AI orchestra robot. Thank you.